Stop searching random scholarship lists. There are only a small number of real ways international students actually study in the United States for free. And one United States college literally charges zero tuition to every admitted student, including internationals. Hi, I am Ademola Marco Daniel Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In the next few minutes, I will show you the full system, fully funded undergraduate and Doctor of Philosophy paths, and 2026 to 2027 open opportunities. The truth about United States scholarships: most students fail because they search for 1,000 scholarships in the United States of America. Reality: there are only 3 real funding models. Understand these. You unlock the United States scholarship opportunities. The most important undergraduate scholarship is Berea College, the hidden legend. Berea has not charged tuition since 1892. It is the only United States college funding 100% of enrolled international students. What Berea covers: full tuition for all 4 years, housing, meals, and a paid campus job meeting. Full need with no loans. Many students pay $0. Here is the reality: only about 30 international students admitted yearly. It is extremely competitive, but there are other real, fully funded undergraduate options. Some United States universities fund internationals fully admitted, like Yale University and Amherst College. Harvard is need blind for internationals. You must first get admitted academically. Now, for the Fulbright Foreign Student Program, funded by the United States government, it is the easiest fully funded pathway. Fulbright covers tuition, a monthly stipend, flights, and health insurance. It is run through United States embassies, meaning you compete mainly within your country. In the United States, most doctoral philosophy programs are automatically funded. You receive a tuition waiver, a salary stipend, and a research assistant job. You are paid to study. Many scholarships are quota-based. You are not competing globally, you compete locally. This massively increases your success probability. Many schools accept medium of instruction certificates, the Duolingo English test, or the Scholastic Aptitude test. Some programs even provide English training before study. Winning application timeline: January to March, build achievements. April to June, write your personal statement. July to September, Fulbright opens. August to December, the Berea College deadline. Why do students fail? Not just because of the grades. They fail because they apply late or randomly. Scholarships fund future change makers, not just top scorers. If your goal is studying in the United States for free, start with Berea College Fulbright or funded Doctor of Philosophy programs. Follow for more verified scholarships only. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.